Hi, Docs. Dr. Tim Maggs here. In 2 weeks, Dr. Jerome Rerucha and I are going to be giving our first of 3 seminars. This one will be in Denver, Colorado. We'll then be in Raleigh, North Carolina, and finish up in Baltimore, Maryland. But I want to just let you know of something very, very special that's going to take place there. 20 years ago, I started the development of the Concerned Parents of Young Athletes program. Today, it is the leading injury prevention program for middle and high school athletes. I have the largest database of biomechanical x-rays of anyone probably in the world, and I've got now 8 published research studies to support the information on those x-rays. So, there's also, while that's happening, probably many of you didn't realize or don't know that private equity firms over the last few years are now investing billions of dollars into youth sports. And I know you've seen the growth. We just spent a week or more, 10 hours a day of Little League World Series primetime TV. But the problem is all of these kids are victims of the medical model. So there's 3 key things. They get a medical exam for preseason, they react to injuries, and then they go to medical providers who treat the symptoms. The Concerned Parents program is the program. We talk about the structural fingerprint exam, we talk about proactive care, maintenance care, injury prevention. I now am in conversation with venture capitalists who understand the value of the youth sports. I'm in conversation to position CPOYA as the injury prevention program nationally. To do that, I need a network of docs. There's no one better than the chiropractor because we are the most equipped for that. Please come to our seminars. I'm going to introduce what this certification program is going to be about, but wouldn't you like to be on the team that's finally going to be recognized for the value we bring, and how much more excitement could you have than working with youth athletes in your community? You're the go-to office. So please go to drtimmaggs.com, sign up for one or all, and become a part of this momentum because there's a lot of excitement coming. Thanks, Doc. Have a great day.